and today I'm going to show you how to make fluffy slime. I hope you enjoy. And the ingredients you're going to use are borax, baby powder, lotion, shaving cream, foam soap, glue, and food coloring. So you're going to take the warm water, measure it out to be a cup. You're going to pour that into the bowl. And then you're going to scoop a tablespoon of borax powder, and then you're going to pour it into the warm water, and you're going to stir it until it is completely dissolved. So now in a large bowl, you're going to pour the glue in it. You're going to take a whole bottle of Elmer's glue, and you're going to just pour all the glue in it. The next step to making fluffy slime is the shaving cream. So you're going to measure out a half cup of shaving cream, make sure it is the foam kind, and then you're going to pour it out into the bowl that has glue in it. Along with shaving cream, you're going to use a half cup of foam soap. You're going to pour it into the bowl also. After you combine the glue, shaving cream, and soap all into a large bowl, you're going to mix. You're going to add a heaping tablespoon of baby powder and pour it into the bowl. After you added your baby powder, you're going to go back to mixing. This next step is optional. You're going to add some hand lotion into the bowl. This is to make your slime stretchier and smoother. And you can't go wrong with color, so you're going to take some food coloring and you're going to add about 5 drops into the bowl. So now we're going to mix everything together. You can start to see the colors changing into a blue. Keep on mixing. So now we're going to use the borax mix we made in our very first step. We're going to add 3 tablespoons at a time. You're going to pour it into the bowl. And then you're going to mix it all up. Then if you saw that it was still a little sticky, so we're going to add another 3 tablespoons of water. We're going to mix it all up again, and if your slime is still kind of sticky, you can keep adding the borax mixture, just don't do too much. So now we're going to put everything aside, and we're going to get out waxed paper so we can pour the slime onto it. And now we're gonna see what we finally made. So as you can see, it did get the fluffy texture to it. It is nice and smooth, and it also is very stretchy. It is super fun to play with, and it does bounce. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and making it. Thanks for watching!